Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Matro's Travel. I'm Matro and today I'm gonna visit the ruins of Ercolano. So let's go right into it. So, the city of Ercolano, it was known as Herculaneum, I think it's the name. You can see it here. There's a legend that it was actually the city of Hercules, like he started to build it. And it has a similar fate to Pompeii, unfortunately. Or fortunately to us, because we can now see it, like you can see here. But otherwise, as in Pompeii, the citizens here, they died of a thermal shock because the Vesuvius is actually right up there. So all the heat of the volcano just came down. I think it was like 300 degrees Celsius, something like that. And everybody just died immediately. So they had a quicker death than the people of Pompeii. And yeah, I'm gonna get a ticket and see how the city looks like from the inside. So, and I'm inside. So right now I'm on top of the town. I'm gonna show you here. So, there it is. It's not that big. I think there were like 500 people more or less living. But still, for 500 people, the houses are actually big. And I think the tourists today, it's way more than 500. Okay, so let's go down there. So, and we arrived at the first plaza. It's the plaza of Marco Nonno Balbo. You can see his statue right there. He is basically the patron of the town. Yeah, and basically I guess this is where people met in the past. It's quite small plaza actually. But yeah, let's go a little bit further up into the actual town.
There's a view. I'm waiting you here.
So, and I'm in the actual city now. So that's where I came from. And like here you can already see all the different houses. I'm actually right in front of a taverna. Wait, I'm gonna change the view. Here. So basically you have like the bar here. I think that's where they stored some liquids. It's quite small. Here you have like some frescoes. Can zoom a bit in. Really nice. I mean, it doesn't look that different from bars and pubs nowadays. Also, like here, there's another house. You have some surviving frescoes here. Just really nice. And you can really just go from house to house to house here. There's a different temples, bathhouses, everything. I think this is sort of like a kitchen. Here, another taverna. Which looks really nice. You can actually go in here. Wow. And here you have the frescoes again. Very important, don't touch anything. It's over 2000 years old. But like you can see, some people don't really respect it, which is a pity. Yeah. What is here? We can't really see much. But there's something written here. But yeah, they're trying their best to reconstruct and to protect the city. It's beautiful. Here you have a few more frescoes. Yeah, and also again people, why do you do that? These are things I don't understand. It's horrible. It's really interesting to see like this place, how it looked like 2000 years ago. And now we are in one of the big resident houses. Wow. So you can see the open roof. There was water coming down when it was raining. There's the fountain here. Usually they had like a community room or an office or something here. And all around like the bedrooms. Yeah. It's really nice. You still see some of the frescoes and the mosaics. It's a huge resident building. Here you can see one of the beds. It's still standing today. The frescoes in the room. And here as well. Wow. So, and I found a thermal bath. It looks like it's for women only. Let's have a look inside. Here, that's the first room. I think that's where they changed or got undressed. Like a beautiful mosaic here. See like the dolphins, and there's like even squids and everything. So, you can go further in. There's like room number 2. The ceiling. Here you have the mosaics. Oh, and this must have been the actual bath area. Nice. Yeah. I guess here to sit down. The roof is incredible. And like there must have been the pool with the water. It must have been nice to take a bath here. So, in another villa. Let's have a look here. Oh, the frescoes. I have to show you this. So, this one is a little bit more destroyed. Yeah, you have a small room here. There you have the usual fountain. But yeah, the roof isn't here anymore. Wait. Like here, another small bedroom. And now, this is beautiful. I'm gonna zoom in. And it's a mosaic, I think. Yeah. Wow. I think it's Neptune and Aphrodite, apparently, or something like that. Wow. This is so beautiful. They were real artists. Just outside this villa, we have like here, I think it's like a food storage area. Wait, the zoom. Okay. And I think when you look here, that's still the original wood. It's completely burnt, and I think it's more like the consistency of charcoal than actual wood. But looking at that, it's impressive. They also have like frescoes up there again. Wow. So it still survived so many years. So, and I made it to the other side of the city. What's interesting, you have the wall here again, and right there are the houses of the modern town. So you can see the difference again of how deep we are actually in the earth. Also, you have some nice bronze statues here. Here. Really beautiful. Also like this one. Wow. Yeah, and this here is basically the other end of the city. Walking further down, I just found the bakery here. Just gonna show you like this. So here you have like the millstones. I think it's even lava rock they used, which is quite interesting. Yeah. Here another room. I guess this was like a storage room probably. Yeah, they put some pictures in, I don't know why. And here, it's unfortunately closed, but you have the oven. I mean, it kind of like looks like a pizza oven, so it didn't change that much over the 2000 years. Yeah, it's nice. So that's how an ancient bakery looked like. And I'm in another house, and there is a interesting marble art. I'm gonna show it to you. This one. I mean, look at it and think for yourself what it is actually showing. I personally find it a bit weird. Otherwise, it's a normal house with like, you know, the fountain again, then the bedrooms and so on. Also cool, you see still the colored columns. So it wasn't always white. And now I'm going to the Sede degli Augustali. The name is here. It's really impressive. So, just gonna turn around. Here, the original wood is still here. We have like those pillars, and look up there. Oh, it's a bit dark, but I don't know. This is the original timber. This is impressive. $2,000-year-old timber. So, and that's not even all. Here, the frescoes. I assume it was some sort of temple or something. I'm not really sure. So, just gonna zoom into the frescoes here. Wow. It's quite impressive. Can't go further in. Oh, the colors and the artwork. Wow. Really nice. So, and these were like a few of the buildings you can see here in Ercolano. It's really, really interesting. I'm already at the exit. Of course, there's way more you can see, but these are like some of the highlights I can recommend you to definitely visit. Also, if you want to go here, it's quite easy. You just take the train, the same one you used to go to Pompeii or to Sorrento. It has a stop that's called Ercolano, and the train station is just up there, so it's easy to reach from there. And the normal ticket price right now is 13 euro. If you are under 24, it's 2 euro for you, so it's way cheaper. And yeah, and as I said, you can visit the whole city with it. I'm just gonna show it to you again. It's really cool. So, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!